Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on verifying updates. If you are using any iPhone and your iPhone stuck on verifying update whenever you want to try to update your iOS version or your software, but you're having the issue that your iPhone is stuck on the software updates. Let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to double check your network issue because a poor or an unstable network connection might have these type errors, and after that you have to go to your settings here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that the VPN is not connected. Or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that you just have to go back, and then you have to go for iPhone storage. You have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone, almost 10 to 15 GB free to download and install any software update and run it smoothly. And after that, if you're still having the same issues, so you just have to make a force restart your phone to cancel the previous update and then restart the update after with network connection. So you just have to make a force restart. Not to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix your issue. So after restarted, you just have to restart your software update. So just wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and then open your settings here. Go for general, go for software update. Very first, you have to make sure that you have connected to internet, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh with the network setting. Once you have done and connected with internet, you just have to go for software updates from here, and you have to start your update now option from here, and then enter your passcode. It will start at your software updates, and after that your issue will be fixed and your update will be successfully downloaded and installed in your phone. So in this way you can really fix if your iPhone stuck on verifying updates. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.